Hey there, Paul with Diode Dynamics. We're a manufacturer of aftermarket LED lighting products for all kinds of cars and trucks on the road. So whether it's extra styling or extra performance, we make a lot of unique products. We actually started the company 12 years ago, 2006, and we were an importer and supplier like a lot of companies out there. We just weren't happy with the quality that we were getting, and I'm a car guy. I knew that we could do better features, little changes to how the products work just to make it work better in the cars. So we started designing and manufacturing our own products in 2014, and fast forward a couple more years, we have 2 buildings, we have a team of 40 people, we have full engineering staff, production staff, we do marketing, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of optical testing, simulation, tools, equipment here, just to make LED lights for all kinds of vehicles. We're going to have a lot of new products in 2018 we're excited to show you, and we appreciate your support.